Are you confused, bewildered, and even overwhelmed by all of the information and content that's out there about perimenopause and menopause? Would you like to have a series of easy tips and tricks that you can include into your daily life that will help you to help yourself through your menopausal journey? If so, then listen up. This series is for you. It's called Atomic Habits. It's going to be filled with all of these tips and tricks, none of which are going to cost you a lot of time or money, but all of which will help you to help yourself. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Keep following for more. Fatigue, forgetfulness, low mood, mood swings, perhaps maybe sleep disturbances. These are all signs of hormonal imbalance. So my first tip in our Atomic Habit series is all to do with supporting your hormonal balance. One way we can do this is to eat a protein-based breakfast. And a fantastic source of protein is eggs. So when you eat a protein-based breakfast, not only are you supporting your hormonal balance, but you're also stabilizing your blood sugars. And this is really important when it comes to weight management. Just by implementing this one tip alone will make a big difference when it comes to supporting your hormonal balance. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you're stressed out, easily irritated or frustrated, then tip 2 of our Atomic Habit series is just for you, because it's all about reducing stress. And we can do this very easily by utilizing our breath. When we breathe in, we activate our sympathetic nervous system, which is our stress response, and our heart rate speeds up. However, when we breathe out, when we exhale, we activate our parasympathetic nervous system and it gets us to relax. So we can do a little bit of box breathing for 2 to 3 minutes every day, and it can have a massive impact on reducing our stress levels. So what you do is you breathe in through your nose for a count of 3, you hold for a count of 3, then breathe out for a count of 5, and hold for a count of 5. Because the emphasis is on the outward breath, and that will slow down our heart and get us to relax. Remember, small changes lead to big results. How much joy is in your life? Increasingly, I'm seeing a trend with women here in clinic where they seem to be getting very little joy out of their daily life. In fact, they seem to be really focused on what they should do and what they need to do. So today's tip is all about increasing your joy. So firstly, I need you to make 2 lists, and one is of things that you hate to do and the other is a list of what you love to do. And then I want you to take 10 minutes a day of everything you hate to do and give it over to something that you love to do. And that way, just with 10 minutes a day, you're going to massively increase the joy in your life and probably in everybody else's life too. Remember that small habits lead to big changes.